Hey everybody, in this video, I will show you guys how to turn the solid stickered covered windows on the Traxxas TRX-4 Defender into clear polycarbonate windows. This method will involve cutting, trimming, sanding, and a good amount of time, effort, and patience. Let's get started. To start, we will need a craft knife, a polycarbonate reamer, a pair of polycarbonate scissors, a metal file or a piece of sandpaper, a marker, some tape, and a clear sheet of polycarbonate. First, use the knife to gently score the edge of where you want to cut. Here, you can see me doing it on the sticker, but I found that tracing the edge of the window sticker yielded the best results. Gradually press harder to make the lines deeper, and do it to all sides of the window. Also note that the front part of the body is significantly thicker than the rear. Then, use the reamer to create a hole on each edge of the window and make sure to line up the edge of the holes with the scored lines. Next, use the pair of scissors to cut diagonally from one hole to another to create triangles attached to each edge of the window. After that, bend the triangles back and forth to remove it. If bending a few times doesn't work, try using the craft knife again to make the cuts deeper. After that, use a file or sandpaper to sand and smooth all the edges. This may take a while depending on how you trimmed and cut the windows. If you want to add more detail to the rear window, you can save the taillight sticker piece boxed in orange and tape it upside down in the same place behind the clear window. And here it is all finished and sanded. Now you can set the body aside to cut out the clear polycarbonate panels for the windows. And here are the dimensions that I used for the windows. Note that the dimensions listed are for the clear polycarbonate and not the dimensions of the window on the body. Here is also the layout I used to trace all the window lines for a 12 by 12 inch piece of polycarbonate. Now, we can secure the polycarbonate pieces to the body. I'm using black electrical tape, but you can also use permanent adhesives like shoe glue. Perhaps white electrical tape would look better than black, but that's what I currently have, and I can always change them out when I remove them to tint the windows in the future. And there you have it! Clear windows on a stock TRX-4 Land Rover Defender body. Thanks for watching, and I wish you the best on your next RC project. See you guys in the next one.